If you want to completely uninstall Epic Games Launcher, but you're getting an error that it says it's currently running, or for some reason you just can't do it, here's how to fix that. First, you want to right click on the Start button and then click on Apps and Features or Installed Apps for Windows 11. Now you want to search for Epic Games here. Now before going ahead and installing the Epic Games Launcher, you'll need to make sure that it's not currently running. You want to right click on the taskbar and click on Task Manager. And then from here, you want to search for the Epic Game process or any process related to Epic Games and make sure to close it down. In Windows 11, you should be able to search for the processes by name, but for Windows 10, you can use tools such as System Informer, which will help you search for processes by name, which is this one. And then you want to type in the search bar here, Epic Games or Epic, and then go through all the processes or select them all, and then terminate those processes. So you can simply select, right click, and then terminate. And once you terminate all Epic Games processes, you can click on Epic Games here and then click on Uninstall button. And once the uninstallation is complete, this should get rid of Epic Games and all the games installed from the launcher, as well as the Epic Games online services. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.